Teachers, welcome to my video. This is teacher Isel May. I wanted to show you on how to use the Klassen app. Okay, so first one, teachers, you need to download the Klassen app. Okay, as you can see here in my tablet, I've got already my Klassen. So you need to find it here in the browser, teacher. Make it a very big one. So you need to write down the Klassen app. Okay, Klassen app. Okay, this is the Klassen app, teacher. Okay, Klassen.com. Okay, so teachers, here in our laptop, the green one, you need to download this one, okay? But here in our Android, like a tablet or cell phone, this is a black app po, teacher. But after you download here in the laptop po or laptop or computer, it will be still the same color, the black app. Okay, only on how to download. So it looks like this one po, teachers. And after that one, teachers, you need to open that one, create your own account. Okay, I've got already here. So you need to open your account, teachers. Okay, let me open mine. I've got already my account. So you need to sign up. And after you sign up, teachers, you can see the home page of the Klassen. So like this one here in my tablet. Okay, teachers, we've got here, if you're going to practice on how to do a demo, of course, we've got here a blackboard. Okay, sa cellphone user po, yung blackboard natin ay nasa growth. Okay, nasa growth. Let me exit muna. Is nasa growth po, teachers. Sa cellphone natin, nasa growth po yung blackboard. Makikita mo yung blackboard. And if you're going to press that one and yes, mapupunta ka dito inside the classroom. Okay, but here, of course, tablet or laptop or computer, you can see the blackboard button. Okay, so like this one, this is what's inside the Klassen app. Okay, so teachers, if you we are going to change the classroom background. So first one, you need to press the button of the cloud button. Okay, cloud button, and you need to find the resources. Okay, and resources again po, teachers. Cell phone or any devices. Resources po yung ipe-press natin. Tapos, classroom background. Pangalawa po, dalawang beses po tayo mag-press ng resources. Tapos, classroom background. And after that one, any background you can use or you really wanted po. Okay, let's try this one, the white paper. Okay, charan, that is the white paper, teacher. But if you don't like, you can choose again here. Let me see. Okay, let me use the green one. Okay, so it will be look like this. So it's still up to you, teachers, what kind of classroom background do you have. So here in our tablet or cell phone, you need to press the pen. Okay, here, this one. This is the pen po, teachers. And you need to find the cloud button. And after the cloud button po, teachers, you need to find the other resources. Resources. Okay, no. Resources again. And classroom background. Okay, so yan. Let us try any, where is it? The school. I can find, okay, here. I choose school. So, like that one, that is the classroom background, teachers. Okay, so let's learn the tools of the Klassen app. So the first one, the arrow po, teachers. You can use that one if you would like to. Okay, let me show you. I need to draw something, or we have the book here. You can choose your an arrow here to scroll down. Okay, to scroll down or anything. Okay, and of course here the box select box select. Okay, so this is used for moving the pictures or anything in your book, teachers. And of course you can use this one also to erase the writing in the board, teacher. So like this one, I am going to do like this. Yan, ida-drag ko po, long press ko po yung mouse, long press ko po yung right side ng mouse, And after that one, pag makikita mo naka-square na po siya, you need to erase that one. Para isahan na lang po. Kasi minsan, if you're using a pen, this one, if you're using only the eraser, matatagalan ka po. So, much better po, teacher, much better to use the box select. Okay, this one, press again, drag like that one, and you can see, if you see this one, you need to erase. Okay, and the pen po, teachers. Okay, the pen, you can choose po. We have 2 pens here. This is how you can write, but the other one po, teachers, is different. So this one, okay, this is different. Look, okay, you can see the difference po, teachers. Okay, and after that one, we can make it big. So let's go back here. This is what I use, the first one. I can make it small, and okay, so let me show you the small one. I can make it big too. Okay, this is the big one. Okay, so teacher, the same with the other pen. Okay, and we can use also this line. Okay, like this, if you really wanted po na magdo-drawing kayo, ganon, or we can use the circle one too, like this. Okay, so like that one po, and the square one. Okay, same pa rin po. Okay, that one. So we are going to erase that one po para isahan na. So I choose the box select. Yes. And i-drag ko siya dito sa ibabaw until sa pababa. And after that one, I choose this one. Okay, so isahan na lang. I need to go back here kung gusto kong mag-drawing or yan, sumulat ng kahit ano. And the next one, this is eraser. You can make it a small one too, like this po. Okay, kung maliit lang. Pero much better kung malaki para marami kang ma-erase din. Okay, and after that one, teacher, the text. So this is how you can use the text, teacher. When we say text, this is, okay, typing po. What is your name? Ganon. And after that one, you can change the color. Okay, again, press the T. You can change the color into a yellow one, like this. Okay, you can see the white one, I mean. And the next one is, you can see the number here. Okay, press that one if you're going to make it a small typing or maybe a big one. So much better big one po sa klase. Like 48. Okay, let me try the 48. This is how it looks, teacher. Okay po. And after that one, teacher, this is the screenshot. Okay. Okay, so let's try to draw something here. And this is how you can use the screenshot po, teacher. Like this. Okay, charan! Ito na po yung na-screenshot natin. Pwede po mukha din natin. Okay, let's try. Screenshot my face. Okay, so like this one po. Okay. Makikita nyo na po yung self ninyo. So, pwede kayong mag-screenshot. And we have here, not only that one, as you can see, we have the screenshot without classroom window. Before po, if you wanted to, okay, so let's open the this one, make it a lot small. Tapos magse-search po ako ng okay, pictures or any pictures or like this one na lang po. Open ko po 'yan. Balik na naman po ako dito sa screenshot. Tapos screenshot window without classroom window. Pagkatapos niyan, makikita mo to. Okay, and I'm going to screenshot this one like that. Drag ko lang. Tapos i-check. Tapos mababalik ka sa room. Tapos makikita mo na yung mga pictures na gusto mong i-screenshot para makita ng student mo. Like ice creams, the foods, or anything. Okay, you can do that one, teachers. And after that one, teachers also, you can, this one, we have here. Okay, this is only just a, what is it again? Laser point lang po, teacher, if you're going to. Okay, can you please read this one? Okay, what about this one? Can you tell me? Okay, still the same with the pen po, teachers. Okay, and we have the drive here. That is the drive po, yung the cloud button. So the first one, you need to go to the My Drive po, teacher. Okay, so you can download anything, the videos, pictures, or book but you need to download it first in your laptop po para ma-save po ito sa files ng laptop nyo. Tapos inside here in Classroom, click the My Drive and upload po, upload. Tapos piliin mo yung file, or you can create a folder din po for your student. Okay, so like this one. Let me choose this book. This is I downloaded already in my laptop po, so naka-save na siya. So need to click the open. Okay, so as you can see po, teacher, it's down uploading now. Let's wait muna, converting pa po. So later on makikita mo na siya, magiging ganito na po siya. So like the other books I've got here. Okay, so ayan na po, na-download na. Then click that one. Okay, so yun na po yung Classn app po, teachers. Okay, this is you can use for your student. You can make it small here. Okay, kung gusto mo lang na hindi po siya fully screen. Okay, like this lang po. Okay, still up to you po, teacher. Okay, in your classes, you can use like this one and drag the pictures or the camera together with your student. So, para makikita mo yung self mo at yung student, and makikita din yung book. Kasi, for me naman po, pag dito sa taas kasi medyo maliit lang. Okay, so, depende lang naman po, teachers, whatever you like po. Okay, so again, let's go back again, the drive po, teacher. So the drive, not only the upload, you can upload anything po, books, videos, and pictures po, teacher. Okay, so teachers, we've got here the resources. I told you already that one about the classroom background. Okay, you can naman po, marami po tayo dito. You can explore po. You can explore po. So okay, resources lang muna yung isi-share ko sa inyo. So, tapos po, teachers, we've got here the Classroom teaching tools. So, you can share teacher a desktop. Okay, desktop sharing. So, let's open this one. I opened already earlier the browser po. So, that is why makikita po natin. Pero, if hindi mo po siya makita, kasi hindi mo pa na-open kanina, dapat i-open mo muna first yung browser before ka pumunta dito sa desktop sharing para makikita mo ito. Okay, so I click that one and share. So, like this one po. Okay, so makikita, I'm going to make it big for my student. So, ayan, nandito yung namin. Madadrag ko po yung camera namin, teacher. Oh, I can drag this one. Okay, we can watch together. Okay, so I can show anything what I like. Okay, so let's end na po, teacher. There is a tools here. Bababasa mo naman kung ano yung mga tools dito at maiintindihan naman po ninyo, teacher. So let's end this one. Okay, that is how you share the desktop po. And after that one po, teacher, let's go back again here in the teaching tools. So, I've got already on how to open the browser. So, if you're going to open the browser, it will be look like this. Oh, where's it? Let me make it small. Okay, here we are. So, this is our browser, teacher browser. You can make it big or small po, teacher. So, still up po. It's still up to you po. Okay. And as you can see, even if you try many times and you cannot search anything, of course, because we need to paste it po, teacher. Let's open the browser. Let's open the browser and copy. Copy the link we have here. Copy. Okay, copy. And let's go back the Classn po. Ito. And after that one, let's open again. Okay, let's open again the browser po na makikita natin sa teaching tool. So, ito po yon. So, we need to paste it here. Just a minute. Let me paste it here, teachers. Paste. Okay, so enter. And you can see that one. Okay, look. Alright. Okay, so yes, you can watch together with your student po, teacher. So, we've got here. This is in Minion. Okay. And yeah, the same with the English to Chinese translation po. For translation po, i-copy paste nyo pa rin po dito. Okay, so just remember to open first in the browser before you use the browser inside the ClassIn. So teachers, after that one po teachers, we've got many tools here. You can explore po anything you like. Okay, and this is the second button po. Let's take this one. Okay, the second button, this is the chat box. You can write down here what's your name and you can send it to your student and the student can translate it into Chinese. So, yeah, it's still up to you if you would like to use this one, okay? So, this one, teachers, the last one, that is how you authorize your student. But of course, we can directly use here. If the student is here already, if the student is andito na po, katabi nyo na po. So, you need to do is yung mouse nyo po using your phone. Okay, mouse. Ito po yung arrow. Tapos, makikita mo may crown po siya. May crown po siya. So, pag may crown, yun yung ipe-press nyo para mo yellow. Pag mag-yellow na po siya, ibig sabihin nun is authorized na siya. The student can use the pen. Okay? That is how it works po if you are going to press the crown. And after that one po, teachers, if you are going to give a reward for your student, of course, you need to drag your mouse again. Drag your mouse here in the camera and you can see the reward button. The reward button. This one po, the reward, like this. I don't know. Let me try this here. Okay, so the rewards, may mabasa ka naman na rewards po. Rewards, nakadrawing po yung yung reward po na kailangan mong may-yellow po. Parang parang yung award, ganun, yung ganito po. Oh, I don't know how to draw it. Okay, so you need to press that one. Pag mag-yellow na, syempre, makikita ni student na nagre-reward kasi nagre-reward ka po para sa kanya. Okay po, teachers, if you're going to, if you're going to start teaching na, so like this one, let me show you. So I already uploaded the book. So like this one, we have the book, and if you already explained this one anything and you like to write down po some sentences, so you can just click this one po to make it ito, tingnan nyo. So, magiging ganyan yan. So, makakapag-drawing ka, makakasulat ka dyan. Tapos, after you explain or after everything you did here in the board, of course, you need to click that one again so that you can still see the book again. Okay, teachers, I really hope that this video can help you on how to use the ClassIn. Thank you so much. Oh, before that one, I'm sorry, I forgot. If you wanted to record your classes together with your student, you need to press the record button here. Okay, this is the square one. Tapos po, record. Pag ma-record na, masasave po siya directly dito. So, kailangan mo siyang i-save para pag ma-save na po siya after the class po, makikita nyo na po sa files ninyo yung record ninyo sa klase ninyo. Okay, so that's all muna po, teachers. I really hope that this video can help you a lot. So, thank you. Goodbye.